To create a new account, start by accessing the app on your mobile phone. You will be prompted to enter the phone number or email address you want to use for your account. Once you've done that, you'll receive a code that will be sent to either your phone or email. Check your inbox. Copy the confirmation code and paste it into the required field. Next, you'll be asked to enter your zip code. So go ahead and add the correct one. Then tap Next. You'll then have the option to choose a unique name, known as a cash tag, which will be used for receiving payments. Enter your preferred cash tag name and tap Next again. After that, you'll be asked to add a bank using a debit card. So enter your debit card number and tap Next. If you prefer, you can choose to skip this step and tap Next anyway. The app will then confirm all of your information, and you'll have successfully created a new account.